कभी टैक्स का नोटिस आया है जिससे दिल की धड़कन बराज गई हो? वो पल जब आप सोचते हैं
कभी टैक्स का नोटिस आया है? एंड हैव यू एवर वंडर्ड व्हाट टू डू नेक्स्ट? वेल, देयर इज अ गुड न्यूज़ फॉर यू. Now section 148A of the Income Tax Act ensures that before reopening your case, the department must hear your side of the story. Hello everyone, my name is Parth Nanwani and today I'll be briefing upon this section 148A. What is this section 148A and what is the procedure for application of this section? In simple terms, this law, introduced in year 2021, has made the process of reassessing old tax returns more fairer, more transparent and less arbitrary. तो आज इस वीडियो में हम समझेंगे कि सेक्शन 148A आपके लिए क्यों ज़रूरी है और ये काम कैसे करता है. तो ये जानने से पहले कि ये काम कैसे करता है, लेट्स सी ये सेक्शन है क्या. तो इस सेक्शन के आने से पहले जो टैक्स ऑफिसर था, he could reopen your case just based on a mere suspicion. No proper inquiry needed, no explanation and not even a chance for taxpayers to defend themselves. But इस सेक्शन के थ्रू what is the new procedure? Now the officer must conduct a preliminary inquiry with the available information. Secondly, you will be served with a notice explaining why they want to reopen your case. Thirdly, you will be given a chance to respond with the documents or explanations that you want to provide in your support or your favor. Now, after reviewing your response, the officer can decide whether reassessment is justified or not. So, this section ensures that taxpayers are no longer left in the dark. अब से बिना इंक्वायरी और आपके बिना जवाब के कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया जाएगा. बट ये सेक्शन इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है? तो द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज फेयरनेस. पहले के टाइम में जो आर्बिट्ररी रीअसेसमेंट्स थी, दे कुड डिसरप्ट लाइव्स एंड बिजनेसेस. Now this section ensures that reassessments happen only when absolutely necessary. Secondly, there is transparency. जो income tax department है, it must now provide clear reasons and supportive evidence for reopening your case. No more vague or baseless notices can be served. Thirdly, it has received a lot of judicial backing. जो courts हैं, they have repeatedly upheld this right. Let's take example of Delhi High Court, which even declared that ignoring this section violates the principle of natural justice. So, explaining more about this section, it also provides for right to personal hearing. तो right to personal hearing का मतलब क्या होता है? See, right to personal hearing is a key part of this section. This means that you can explain your side directly to the assessing officer, either face to face or virtually, that is your choice. Let's take an example. Imagine आपके अकाउंट में एक बहुत large deposit show हो रहा है and the department flags it as unreported income. Now during the hearing, you can clarify that ये कोई family loan था या फिर कोई savings transfer था. Some explanation जो documents alone might not explain. तो ये इसकी एक इम्पॉर्टेंस है दैट दिस स्टेप इज क्रिटिकल टू अवॉइड मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग्स एंड विदाउट इट मेनी जेन्युइन केसेस कुड बी रॉन्गली ओपन. सी, अब कोई लॉ अगर एनैक्ट हुआ है या कोई लीगल प्रोविजन ऐड हुआ है तो इट कम्स विद चैलेंजेस. इसके चैलेंजेस क्या है? पहला चैलेंज, देयर इज डिले इन हियरिंग ऑफ नोटिसेस. सेकेंडली, जो ऑफिसर्स हैं दे आर स्किपिंग प्रॉपर इंक्वायरी स्टेप्स. एंड थर्डली, जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट स्टेप है, द टैक्स पेयर्स आर नॉट रिस्पॉन्डिंग ऑन टाइम. So I'll give you some practical tips as a law student to protect yourself from liability under this section. तो first of all, अगर आपको कोई नोटिस आता है under section 148A, consider consulting a tax professional for expert advice. That is the very first option and that is the very first necessity that you should follow. Secondly, you should respond to such notice within the deadline. Ignoring it can lead to bigger problems. And third, submit your replies with all relevant documents and a clear explanation of your case. Being proactive about your tax rights saves you from unnecessary penalties and stress. Remember, this section 148A is there to protect you, but you need to use it wisely. Section 148A has changed the game for taxpayers. It will ensure fairness, transparency, and most importantly, your one of the most important fundamental rights, which is the right to be heard before any action is taken against you. This is not just a law, it's your safeguard against arbitrary actions. So that's all for section 148A. If you found this video helpful, do hit the like button, share it with your fellow taxpayers and do subscribe to our channel for more simplified tax insights. Thank you so much for watching.